The world is witnessing a new era of technological advancement, and China is at the forefront of this revolution, particularly in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. These flying marvels are not just tools of convenience, but are rapidly becoming integral to various aspects of modern life. China's rapid progress in drone technology has captivated global attention, raising questions about its implications for the future. The country's advancements are not limited to mere technological prowess, but extend to strategic applications that could redefine global power dynamics. From civilian applications to military capabilities, Chinese drones are making their presence felt across various sectors. In agriculture, drones are revolutionizing farming practices by enabling precision agriculture, which increases crop yields and reduces waste. In the military, these drones are enhancing surveillance and combat capabilities, making the Chinese military more agile and responsive. This essay delves into China's drone program, exploring its potential to reshape the global landscape. The story of China's drone development is one of rapid innovation and strategic foresight, driven by a combination of government support, private enterprise, and academic research. China's journey into the world of drones began in the latter half of the 20th century, initially focusing on military applications. Early efforts were modest, but they laid the groundwork for what would become a comprehensive and ambitious drone program. However, in recent years, China has made significant strides in developing drones for both civilian and military purposes. The dual-use nature of drone technology means that advancements in one area often benefit the other, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and application. Chinese companies like DJI have become global leaders in the commercial drone market, offering a wide range of affordable and sophisticated drones for photography, videography, agriculture, and more. DJI's success is a testament to China's ability to compete on the global stage, not just in terms of manufacturing, but also in terms of innovation and market leadership. The Chinese government has also invested heavily in research and development, fostering innovation and pushing the boundaries of drone technology. This investment is part of a broader strategy to position China as a global leader in high-tech industries, from artificial intelligence to quantum computing. One of the most exciting developments is the use of drones for delivery services. Chinese companies are pioneering the use of drones to deliver packages, medical supplies, and even food, particularly in hard-to-reach areas. This not only showcases the versatility of drone technology, but also its potential to solve real-world problems. Beyond practical applications, drones have also found a place in entertainment and sports. Drone racing has become a popular pastime, drawing spectators and participants from around the world. These events highlight the technological sophistication and agility of modern drones, turning them into a source of excitement and inspiration. Education is another area where drones are making an impact. Chinese educational institutions are incorporating drone technology into their curricula, preparing the next generation of engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. This focus on education ensures that China will continue to lead in drone technology for years to come. As we look to the future, the integration of drones into smart city infrastructure is a tantalizing possibility. Imagine a world where drones are seamlessly integrated into urban environments, performing tasks ranging from traffic monitoring to emergency response. This vision is not far off, and China is well positioned to make it a reality. In conclusion, China's ascent in unmanned technology is a story of ambition, innovation, and strategic vision. As the country continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, the world will be watching closely, eager to see how these advancements will shape our collective future. China's drone industry has witnessed an astonishing surge in innovation, resulting in a diverse array of drones with impressive capabilities. Over the past decade, China has emerged as a global leader in drone technology, pushing the boundaries of what these unmanned aerial vehicles can achieve. From military applications to commercial uses, Chinese drones are making a significant impact worldwide. One notable example is the Winglong 2, a medium-altitude, long-endurance drone developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. This drone has been a game-changer in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, showcasing China's ability to produce advanced military technology that rivals the best in the world. The Winglong II is designed for both reconnaissance and strike missions, and has been exported to several countries, including Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Its versatility and reliability have made it a valuable asset for these nations, enhancing their military capabilities and strategic reach. Its capabilities have drawn comparisons to the United States Predator drone, highlighting China's growing prowess in military drone technology. The Winglong The-2's advanced sensors, long endurance, and precision strike capabilities make it a formidable tool in modern warfare, reflecting China's commitment to advancing its defense technology. Beyond military applications, China has also made significant advancements in civilian drone technology. The country's innovative spirit and robust manufacturing capabilities have led to the development of drones that are transforming various industries. DJI, the world's largest commercial drone manufacturer, offers a wide range of drones for various purposes. From aerial photography to industrial inspections, DJI's products are known for their reliability, ease of use, and cutting-edge technology. Their Phantom series, known for its user-friendliness and high-quality cameras, has become a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. These drones have revolutionized the way we capture images and videos, making aerial photography accessible to everyone. Chinese companies are also developing drones for agriculture, using them for crop spraying, aerial surveying, and monitoring livestock. These agricultural drones are helping farmers increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve crop yields, demonstrating the practical benefits of drone technology in everyday life. These advancements demonstrate China's commitment to leveraging drone technology for economic growth and societal benefit. In the construction industry, drones are being used for site surveys, progress monitoring, and safety inspections, streamlining processes and enhancing productivity. In logistics, drones are being tested for package delivery, promising faster and more efficient services. Additionally, drones are playing a crucial role in disaster relief operations, providing real-time data and helping coordinate rescue efforts. They are also being used to provide internet connectivity in remote areas, bridging the digital divide and bringing essential services to underserved communities. As China continues to invest in research and development, the future of its drone industry looks promising. With ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence, battery technology, and materials science, we can expect to see even more innovative and capable drones emerging from China in the coming years. This relentless pursuit of excellence ensures that China will remain at the forefront of the global drone industry, shaping the future of unmanned aerial technology. The applications of Chinese drones extend far beyond aerial photography and military operations. E-commerce giant JD.com is at the forefront of using drones for delivery services, particularly in rural areas where traditional logistics networks are limited. These drones can carry packages weighing up to 50 kilograms and navigate complex terrain, offering a glimpse into the future of logistics and supply chain management. The use of drones for delivery is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, revolutionizing how goods are transported and received. In the realm of law enforcement and security, Chinese drones are being deployed for surveillance, crowd control, and border patrol. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, facial recognition software, and other advanced sensors, these drones provide authorities with enhanced situational awareness and the ability to respond swiftly to incidents. However, the use of drones for surveillance also raises concerns about privacy and civil liberties, sparking debates about the ethical implications of such technology. China's rise as a drone superpower has significant implications for the global balance of power. Over the past decade, China has invested heavily in drone technology, rapidly advancing its capabilities and production scale. This strategic focus has allowed China to not only enhance its own military and commercial drone fleets, but also to become a leading exporter of drone technology worldwide. The proliferation of Chinese drones, particularly to countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia, is shifting regional security dynamics. These regions, often marked by geopolitical tensions and conflicts, are now equipped with advanced surveillance and combat capabilities thanks to Chinese drones. This shift is not just about the hardware, it's about the strategic influence China gains by being a key supplier of these technologies. These drones provide countries with advanced military capabilities at a lower cost than traditional weapon systems, potentially altering the nature of warfare in these regions. For instance, countries that previously could not afford sophisticated air defense systems now have access to high-tech drones that can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes. This democratization of military technology could lead to a more level playing field, but it also raises concerns about the escalation of conflicts. The international community is closely watching China's drone exports, concerned about the potential for these technologies to fuel conflicts or destabilize regions. There are fears that these drones could fall into the hands of non-state actors or be used in ways that violate international norms and laws. As a result, global security forums and diplomatic channels are increasingly focusing on the regulation and monitoring of drone technology transfers. Beyond military implications, China's drone technology also has the potential to reshape global trade and economic relationships. Drones are being used to streamline logistics, monitor supply chains, and even deliver goods in remote areas. This technological edge allows Chinese companies to offer innovative solutions that can reduce costs and increase efficiency in international trade. As Chinese companies dominate the commercial drone market, they are gaining a competitive edge in various sectors, from agriculture to infrastructure inspection. In agriculture, drones are used for precision farming, helping farmers monitor crop health and optimize resource use. In infrastructure, drones are employed to inspect and maintain critical assets like bridges and power lines, reducing the need for costly and dangerous manual inspections. This dominance could give China significant leverage in international markets, potentially challenging the economic dominance of Western countries. As Chinese drone technology becomes more integrated into global supply chains and industrial processes, the influence of Chinese companies and, by extension, the Chinese government is likely to grow. This could lead to a shift in economic power dynamics, with China playing a more central role in setting global standards and practices. The world is witnessing a new era of technological competition, and drones are at the forefront of this race. Countries around the globe are investing in drone research and development, aiming to catch up with or surpass China's advancements. International drone expos and competitions are becoming battlegrounds for showcasing the latest innovations and securing lucrative contracts. As this competition heats up, the pace of technological progress is likely to accelerate, leading to new applications and capabilities that we can only begin to imagine today.